Okay, well, now that I got you seated, we getting ready to get started. We're going to identify each segment with the class number. That way, if you want to go back, you can always refer back to the number. The first thing you need to know is your basics. So, saying that, we're going to talk about how, you looking around the house and you see those computers all sitting in the desk that the kids left, they all grown and gone, and all of a sudden you want to play around with the computer. Well, Ordinary Joes is a class that's going to help you get situated and learn how to use a computer. Now, one thing I tell a lot of people, get you a notebook, notepad, and pencil, paper, and take notes. Don't try to remember everything. We're going to keep this pretty simple. Now, I still write notes. Now, I am not a computer pro. I am a person that wants to use a computer a lot, and I had to learn some basic things so I won't keep screwing my computer up. One thing we're going to talk about is hard drive space and the room on your computer. Every computer is not the same. Some computers have more room than other computers. What take up the most room on your computer is programs, then music, then photos. Now, I say it that way because when you install a program is usually the largest of the three. And then comes music, and then come photos. So now let's start by talking about hard drive space. As you can see what you're looking at two hard drives. My computer hard drive to the left, and I have a plug-in hard drive. Now, you see that white space on both. That's telling me how much room I have left on both of these hard drives. Now, one thing what I like about my plug-in hard drive, I put most of my stuff on my plug-in hard drive. That way, if something gets screwed up with my computer and my plug-in hard drive, I don't keep my plug-in hard drive plugged up all the time. I plug it up when I'm using it. That way, if something gets screwed up on my computer and I have to reset my computer, I haven't lost everything because usually I have stuff on my backup hard drive. We're going to get into all of that at a later date, but for the most part, I'm going to show you guys how to look at what hard drive space is. Okay, we're going to talk about how to find me on YouTube. All you have to do is go to YouTube and type in my name, Joey V. Dillard, JoeyVDillard. Then at the top of the list, you should see my name. Right next to my name, it should be a photo of a Marine Corps Eagle, Globe, and Anchor photo. You can click my name or click the photo. Then go to where it says videos, right next to home. Click videos, and that's all of my videos on my YouTube channel. Now, the last video I posted would be the first video on that list. You could see now the first video you see at the top of the list should be computers for seniors. And but this way, just in case I'm not doing a video all the time, I'm gonna identify them with titles and numbers. So it'll be easy to find what you're looking for. If you have to come back or you did something once and just got to come back to whatever you're trying to do. We're going to show you guys how. Well, first we're gonna keep these episodes to about no longer than no longer than 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, because I don't want you to get bored and lost. As we start growing and getting into projects, some of them might be a little longer. Okay, now this one we're working on first might be a little long just to get you seated and comfortable and find your own system and your own style of how you want to do things. Now, everybody's going to do things different. So don't think whatever you're doing is incorrect. If some people work on a computer standing up, some people work on them sitting down. Some people left-handed, some people's right-handed. But the system is still the same. Hard drive space, room, programs, gigabyte, megabyte, all that's the same. All right. So, okay, well, we got enough for right now to get a basic class started.